guys, today I'm going to be doing 5 different types of squishy sellers. So sorry I'm not real good at lining and my hair. So anyway, let's get on the video. This video inspired by Sophia Squishy. So yeah, and I don't have time to edit this video, so I'm just going to use a pepper. So let's get on. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be selling this squishy, and there's a lot of this bag, so like you probably don't buy this because this is not even squishy, and the tag is fake, so don't buy this. For me, I don't even like Then for an extra, I'll be giving this. It smells like metal. That's so smelly. But yeah, the colors are pretty. It's a rainbow color. And if you're overweight, you can use this to adjust. So yeah. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing this. It's like more squishier than the iBloom peach. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how squishy is that. It's super soft. I have no defects. No defects. No defects. Look how squishy is it. And for an extra, if you buy more than $100, I'll be giving this. Have no notices. Okay, so this one you can peel off easily. Okay, easily. And yeah, there's no dirty. Okay, there's no dirty. This is not dirty. That's scammers. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be selling this Kamamon or Kamamoto mascot. Look at this. This is super squishy. Okay, so I'm doing wrong. Okay, so look at this. Okay, there's no defects. There's no defects. There's no defects. This is like more squishy. Oh, what is that? And for an extra, I'll be giving this. It really stay for 10 years, so it won't break for 10 years. Look at that. Get how stretchy is that? Okay, this is that just happened. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be selling the full set of our Yamatokyo toast. There's 5 colors. I got the green tea one, milk one, strawberry one, and chocolate one. So hope you buy. If you buy hundreds of dollars, if you buy over if you give an extra $100, I'll be giving you and free iBloom peach. It's the yellow, orange, and the lovely pink. So please buy. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be selling this full set of yummy squishy, and yeah, I got this. I'm not going to squish it because this new. So hope you buy it. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry, I like a little bit coffee. A little bit copy Sophia production. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope